make money with AI. Nobody is talking about this AI tool that's making people $500 a day while they sleep. I found a guy who built an entire business around this in just 3 weeks. Here's what he did. He discovered this AI platform that creates custom automation workflows for small businesses. Instead of charging hourly like everyone else, he charges a monthly fee for each automation he sets up. Think about it. A restaurant wants automated social media posts. He builds it once, charges them $200 per month forever. A dentist needs automated appointment reminders, another $200 monthly. The crazy part, each automation takes him maybe 2 hours to build, but pays him for months or years. He now has 47 businesses paying him monthly. That's over $20,000 in recurring revenue. The best part, you don't need coding skills. This AI tool has drag and drop features that do everything for you. If you're still trading time for money, you're doing it wrong. Start building recurring income with AI automation before everyone catches on.